Kaspa is getting wrapped. Huobi Exchange leaks almost 5,000 user contact details. Intel Arc A750 price has dropped over on Newegg. There's a new release for XMRIG miner. Dynex is solving breast cancer. And Conflux releases test network Hardfork, as well as Bitcoin breaks free from stock market correlation. All of that and more in today's episode of Blocks, where I cover cryptocurrency mining news as quickly as possible for you guys. Let's go ahead and hop into it. We have exciting news from Change Finance, a leader in cross-chain decentralized finance. They have launched a native Kaspa to wrapped Kaspa custodial bridge on the Ethereum network. The bridge enables seamless asset transfers between the Kaspa and Ethereum networks, giving Kaspa users access to Ethereum's thriving DeFi ecosystem. Users can now engage in activities like lending, borrowing, and yield farming using their WCAS holdings. Additionally, Ethereum users can directly purchase wrapped Kaspa and participate in the offerings of the Kaspa blockchain. This development strengthens the relationship between both ecosystems and creates a more interconnected and inclusive DeFi landscape for all users. Obviously, this is bullish for Kaspa, and you guys should be paying attention to it. Make sure you learn all about it and more. Down in the description below, we'll have the links so you can find the contract address and the bridge, etc. Important update regarding Huobi, a prominent cryptocurrency exchange. Huobi recently experienced a data breach that exposed user data and put assets at risk for several months. The breach involved compromised credentials that provided write privileges to Huobi's cloud storage, potentially allowing attackers to modify content and access sensitive information. Although the breach was significant, Huobi has taken immediate action by deleting the compromised account and securing their cloud storage. They have addressed vulnerabilities in their content delivery networks and websites, ensuring safety of user accounts, crypto assets, and sensitive data. It's worth noting that Huobi acknowledged the breach and expressed gratitude to the White Hat team that reported the issue, although the response time could have been quicker. This is yet again just another example as to why you should not hold your cryptocurrency within exchanges, as well as the downfalls of KY enabled centralized cryptocurrency exchanges. While KYC is always touted as being secure and making sure you are not participating within things that are compromised or maybe being utilized for tax evasion or some sort of criminal activity, it's important to note that if there was not KYC involved in this particular situation, your data would have been safe from the very get-go. Now let's shift our focus to hardware with an exciting update on the Sparkle Intel Arc A750 Orc Overclocked Edition graphics card. This powerful graphics card, featuring 8 GB of GDDR6 memory, thermal sync technology, torn cooling, and an axial fan, has seen a significant price drop to $239. It supports advanced features like ray tracing, variable rate shading, DirectX 12 Ultimate, Vulkan 1.3, and adaptive sync. The Sparkle Intel Arc A750 Orc Overclock Edition graphics card is currently in stock with a limit of 2 units per customer, making it a little bit difficult to build a full-on mining rig with one, and it ships from the United States. It's a fantastic opportunity for miners and gamers alike to upgrade their rigs at an attractive price point. In our next segment, we have an update on the popular mining software XMRIG. The latest version 6.20.0, introduces several changes and improvements. Firstly, new ARM CPU names have been added to enhance compatibility. Additionally, new CMake options, ARM_V8 and ARM_V7 for V8 or version 8 and version 7 options respectively, have been included. An API rebind polling feature has been introduced, improving overall functionality. Compatibility with HWLock 1.11.x has been fixed, resolving any related issues. The readme.md file now includes specific information for x86 architecture. Furthermore, a bug related to receiving CUDA loading errors on Linux has been fixed. Finally, the update brings Zephyr Coin support for solo mining. Make sure to download the latest version of XMRIG to take advantage of these enhancements. The link will be down in the description below. Now, let's explore a fascinating GitHub update that demonstrates the use of the Dynex SDK Scikit package for feature selection using the Dynex neuromorphic computing platform. The example focuses on the breast cancer Wisconsin datasheet, showcasing how significantly reducing the number of features can achieve comparable or even better results in training and accuracy for a deep neural network. The example guides users through loading the required sklearn libraries, visualizing different activation functions, dividing the dataset, scaling the data, and building a multi-layer perception, MLP for short, classifier using various optimizers. The update introduces the use of the Dynex Scikit plugins select from quadratic model function, allowing for quantum feature selection. By specifying the target number of features, the breast cancer dataset is reduced and the training process is repeated. The results highlight the effectiveness of quantum feature selection in reducing the number of features without compromising performance. Conflux has announced a testnet hard fork upgrade, version 2.3.0, with significant changes and improvements. All node operators and miners must upgrade their nodes before the epoch reaches an estimated date of July 4th, meaning that we have launch now. The upgrade introduces 3 Conflux improvement proposals that address storage collateral, block header encoding, and POS finalization. Additionally, RPC improvements have been made, including fixes to hex encoding and returning compressed and uncompressed BLS public keys. It's crucial to upgrade your nodes in a timely manner to avoid compatibility issues and ensure seamless interactions on the latest Conflux testnet. It's yet to be announced as to when this will hit the mainnet, but you will want to pay attention because it will mean that you will need to upgrade all your nodes and pay attention to any mining pools that may not upgrade fast enough, thereby, of course, damaging your profitability if you are mining Conflux. Finally, let's discuss Bitcoin's diminishing correlation with US stocks. According to crypto analytics firm Block-Scholes, Bitcoin's correlation with the Nasdaq and S&P 500 has reached its lowest level in 2 years. This decrease in correlation suggests that Bitcoin's performance is becoming less dependent on sentiment in the US stock markets. It's an interesting development that highlights the maturing nature of cryptocurrencies as independent assets. Furthermore, the recent filings for spot Bitcoin exchange traded funds, ETFs, by major financial institutions have generated optimism and increased investor interest. These ETFs have the potential to validate cryptocurrencies as an asset class and attract more mainstream adoption. It's essential to consider both macroeconomic factors and ETF developments in shaping crypto markets' future. That wraps up today's episode of Blocks, packed with the latest news and updates from the cryptocurrency mining world. I hope you found the information valuable and insightful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more exciting content. As always, happy mining, and we'll see you next Tuesday. A quick side note, please check out my cryptocurrency mining e-course over at sonofatech.com. And don't forget, you can support me over on sonofatech.locals.com, where I add additional resources for your cryptocurrency and cryptocurrency mining journeys.